Ingredients: 4 na pieces pork chops, 5 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 pieces lime or calamansi, kalahati cup cooking oil, 2 pieces onion slice, 1 at kalahati cups water, kalahati teaspoon granulated white sugar, salt and pepper to taste. Instruction: combine pork chops, soy sauce, and lime juice in a large bowl or refillable bag. Marinate for at least 1 hour. 4 na pieces pork chops, 2 pieces lime, 5 tablespoons soy sauce. Heat a pan then pour in cooking oil. Kalahati cup cooking oil. Pan-fry the marinated pork chops in medium heat for 3 minutes per side. Remove excess oil. Pour in the remaining marinade and water and let boil. Simmer for 45 minutes or until the pork is tender. Note: add water as needed. 1 at kalahati cups water. Add in the sugar, salt, and pepper then stir. Kalahati teaspoon granulated white sugar, salt and pepper